Hey folks, welcome to Camperagent TV. Today I'm going to be interviewing Phil from Filko Products. He's here at the RV Expo. He's going to show us through some of his great gear here, perfect for cleaning your caravan, motorhome, pop top, whatever you got. He's got it all here.
Well, Steve, we've got a full set of cleaning solutions for the RV. They're all big and awkward. They've got a lot of sensitive surfaces, and so we've developed a range of products that clean RVs when you're on the road or at home. Now, the thing is, with RVs, everything that you put in has got to be light, it's got to be compact, and it has to have lots of uses. Right? This is what we started off with the Traveller's Pack. It's microfiber, so it's quality. You can use it wet and dry. You can use it for dusting, washing, drying. The handle extends right out, so it'll give you the ability to reach all the way up. But for the ladies, they like being able to get down on the floor without having to get down on the floor.
Yes.
Okay. These ones, the head and the handle are detachable, so you can actually take it off, and then the same handle attaches all the other bits. And I'll show you this one. It's a broom. Now, there's a couple of features smaller than what most people are used to. Then that curve still gives you the working edge out here. If you have access to a tap, you can also put a hose on there and have water going through it, because you know sometimes you go through road works and you've got all that grit up the back.
That's right.
Right, just getting all that off. The squeegee, it is not rubber, it's silicone. One of the best squeegees you'll get.
Yeah, nice.
The handle, which comes with it, will come out, and that can also be used on all the other attachments. This will then go on the long handle. Now, this is my favourite combination. So on there, you can extend it right out. Sometimes you want to put the awning away.
Yes.
Okay, it's wet, either condensation, rain, anything like that. You can actually drag the excess water off before you roll it up.
Yep, it's a good idea to do.
The solar panel has to be kept clean, so you can use it for that. And one of the issues that all of us fellas have is the windscreen. If you tow or you've got a motorhome, it's a big windscreen, and you end up climbing up doing one side and going and doing the other. Whereas with this one, you extend it out, and that'll reach from one side to the other without having to climb up. Gets rid of the stripe through the middle of the windscreen. So that's the basis of our pack. And then what we're doing at the show, we've also got our folding buckets. When you're not using them, they fold up. When you are, there's a 10-litre bucket. These fit inside, so everything goes in. In our Traveller's Pack, you get the moppet, you get the broom, you get the squeegee, which also has the short handle, and the handle, and the whole lot. As simple as that. Now, what I want you to do, Steve, is feel the weight of that.
Well, yeah, so multifunctional, multi-uses, like that is, and lightweight. I mean, that's obviously ticked all the boxes as you said at the beginning. So that's really light.
My wife and I are on the road 8-9 months of the year, going to all the caravan and camping shows. That does everything. Does
the job. There we go. That's an absolute beauty. All right. Well, there we go. So, Phil, where do they find your products online? So, someone's watching this on YouTube right now. Where can they go to have a look at your range?
Well, this is Nifty Gadgets.
Yes.
But the easiest way, because they're all linked, if you go to filkocleaningproducts.com.au.
Beautiful. We'll put that on the screen for you as well there, folks. And the links will be below, of course, in the description there. And of course, you're travelling all around the shows as well, aren't you? You get around all around Australia, travelling all the shows. So I'm sure you see Phil and your lovely wife all around Australia showing off their wares, and I highly recommend to come down and see it for yourself. This stuff is absolutely amazing. You got to see it to see how well it picks up the bit of dirt there and all the other cool stuff that's here. So check out Phil's website, and if you're out at any caravan show around Australia, make sure you go see him as well.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Always got great specials.
Always.
At the show. So
Beautiful.
come and see us there.
Excellent. Thanks, folks. Perfect.